Hello, my name is Juan Sebastián Politica Rojas. Today we are going to talk about fauna silvestre. Wildlife, evolution of wildlife, some climate-induced change, temperature increase affects physical, eyes, and biological systems, biophysical conditions, development and maintenance of plants, sea level rise, variation in climate, changing weather conditions, alteration in extreme climate changes, extreme droughts, reducing precipitation, changes in ecosystems and landscape coasts, mountains, savannas. Aftermath of climate change, altered ecosystems and landscapes, changes and interaction between species, forest fires, wildlife health and disease, invasive species and pests. Commerce, Ministry of Environment, Housing and Rural Development, regulates everything related to wildlife in the Amazonia, so criaderos of aquatic chelonians, amphibians and iguanas, insects, tarantulas, and 1,000 feet, 100 feet. Brazil has more than 30,000 hatcheries, butterflies and turtles, boas and snakes. So cria in Colombia. The species that are most managed, chilies, butterflies, cockroaches, exploited the mass nature to the ecosystem. The 10% of the production to its habitat for reach 100%. In 10 years, the counter species that have been exploited. Thanks.